Hi, today I want to show you how to use Whiteboard.fi. Once you click on the link that's provided by your teacher, your tab will open to this Whiteboard.fi homepage. You'll see the teacher's name over here at the top right. There's the teacher. Miss Pecos opened up this Whiteboard.fi, and I am going to type in my name as the student to join the class. I click Join Whiteboard Class, and it takes me to my very own electronic whiteboard. I can click on the tool that I want to use. I can draw shapes. And when I say draw a shape, you click, hold down your button, and drag out the shape to the size that you want. And once you let go of the button, then the shape stays put and I can move it around on the page. I can also still change the size if I want. You can do that with rectangles, with triangles as well. You can also draw lines or arrows. Once you click there, you can choose your line to draw. I can do it again if I want to draw another line and click it again to draw another line. I can also type in text. I clicked the A. It tells me to click to place my text. There's the word text, but then I can double click to delete it, and I can type triangle. I can also use the eraser to erase. The eraser's kind of small. An easier way to erase would be to scroll down and clear the entire whiteboard. That's how you would clear your board. And now my board should be clear. The tool that we're going to use a lot in Whiteboard.fi is the drawing tool. That allows you to draw anything you want. Once you click on it, you can use your mouse to draw, or you can also use your finger and write right on the screen. Okay. Now, as you're working in Whiteboard.fi, your teacher might say, please look at the teacher board. You will click right here at the top where it says Toggle Teacher Whiteboard. And you can click over and you would be able to see your teacher's example. And then if you want to go back to your example, all you have to do is scroll back down and you can see your work, and then you can see your teacher's work too. You'll also get a chance to explore when you're on your own board. You can click here on the color and you can change the color of your pen as well. I'm going to switch back to the student board so that I can draw with my finger. This is Whiteboard.fi. We'll get to use it a lot in our remote learning this year.